examples of this type, and then we have to start with the next part. So let me go through a few more examples. 1 minute. So previous example was little bit simple, since few of the summations they were equal to 0, right? So we'll go through one more example of the same type, where the coefficients will be non-zero. That is, the distribution will be not normal. It will be skewed, maybe positively skewed or maybe negatively skewed. Okay. One minute. Live mode in colors, great. One minute, where I have to go. Entire screen. So right up, next example. So we are solving an example on moment skewness kurtosis. Correct. Calculate. 1 minute. Okay. Calculate first. अरे कलर चेंज होने लग जाता है. First 4 central moments, beta 1, beta 2, x bar and sigma for right for 1 minute. Right, for x and y is given, right? X and f is given, not y. 61, 64, 67, 70, 73, 5, 18, 42, 27, 8. Solution. Okay, Sreda. Which color will be better? Blue give it. Okay, Sreda. Let ui equal to xi minus a divided by h. A middle of xi. Yes. Which is the middle of xi? 67. H. Common difference. Visible आहे ना? xi. एवढं काही चांगलं वाटेल नाही. ठीक आहे, मी चेंज करतो. Common difference between xi. So what is common difference between xi? 61 to 64, difference of 3. Okay, 64 to 67, difference of 3. 67, but again difference between consecutive two numbers, it is difference of 3. So h is equal to 3. So this is equal to xi minus 67 divided by 3. Now we'll understand how it will help us to solve the example, how it will reduce the number of calculations. Okay, So table is required. So here we have to write xi. Okay, then we have to write ui xi minus a divided by h. Then we have to write fi so okay, this much will be sufficient. FIUI FIUI square FIUI cube FIUI raised to 4. Yes, complete the table. X is 61, 63, 67, 70, 73. Now UI, that is 61 minus 67 divided by 3. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Right now? So see, now the 61 is converted into minus 2, 63 converted into minus 1, 67 converted into 0. Corresponding frequency is 5, 18, 42, 27, 8. Yes, now find FIUI minus 10, minus 18. 42 becomes 0. The largest frequency becomes 0, 27, 16. Okay, now 20, 18, 0, 27, 30. 2 cube 8, 40, minus 18, 0, 27, and 64. Please check these numbers. I am doing it manually. Probably there will be no any mistake, but it is always better if you check it. Yes, find the summations. Find all the summations. Write summations over here. Tell me what are the summations. Can anyone tell me what the summations are? Yes. What are the summations? अरे कोई बता सकता है क्या समेशन है? Pritam, have you got the summations?
सर करत आहे सर.
हाँ, okay, okay. Go ahead.
Summation of Fi is equal to 100,
Okay.
15,
15.
97, 33, 253.
Okay, so you can write in this way. Summation. We'll start writing moments about a number A directly. Okay, start. Moments. Okay, right. Moments about A equal to, what is A here? 67. R. Right. Mu 1 dash H summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi. H is 3. What is summation of fi ui? 15 divided by summation of fi 100. 0.45. Okay, then let mu2 dash h square summation of fi ui square divided by summation of fi. So 3 square 97 divided by 100.
Eight point 73.
8.7, correct. Let me go to the next page. हे वेगवेगळ्या कलर मधले विजिबल आहे का? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So next Adam, let me change the page. Is it 27 or 33?
33.
I think it is 33.
8.1.
8.91. Yes. Who is getting this answer? क्या है ते answer?
8.91.
8.91. Okay. Next, mu4 dash.
To 04.93.
Is 253. Hope you are getting answer like this. All right, next part. Center moments. Mu naught 1, mu 1 0, mu 2. Hope you remember Pascal's triangle is like this: 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4. Okay, so mu2 dash mu1 dash. Okay, now multiplied by different powers of mu1 dash. Mu1 dash raised to 0 here. Okay, so not required. Mu1 dash raised to 1. Already 1 is there, 1 more, so square. Coefficients are 1 2 1. Difference of last two. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So coefficients are 1 1 1 1. Alternate plus minus. That's it. Okay, so mu2 dash. What is mu2 dash? 8.73 minus mu1 dash square 0.45. Yes. How much is the answer? Yes. What is the answer?
8.5275.
Huh?
7.5.
Again?
8.5275.
52. Okay. 2 digits sufficient. 8.52 is okay. Or 8.53. That will be sufficient. Okay. Next. Right? Mu3. Now understand how to write the formula of mu3. So mu3 equal to, see like this. Mu3 dash, mu2 dash, mu1 dash. Okay. Different powers of mu1 dash. Mu1 dash raised to 0. Not required. Mu1 dash raised to 1. Mu1 dash square for the last term, but already one mu1 dash is there. Square and 1 cube. Coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. Right? Difference of last two. Okay, 1, 3, 2. Alternate plus minus sign. Plus, minus, plus. Substitute the values. Yes, what the answer is? mu3. Yes, what are the mu3s?
Minus 2.69.
Minus 2.69.
Yes, sir.
Cross check your answer. अच्छा possible है ठीक minus 2.69 please cross check your answer. Okay, next Shadan, mu4. Now understand how to write the formula of mu4. See, it is in this way. Mu4 equal to mu4 dash, mu3 dash, mu2 dash, mu1 dash. Different powers of mu1 dash. Mu1 dash raised to 0, mu1 dash raised to 1, mu1 dash square, and mu1 dash cube. And already one day is there, so raised to 4. What the coefficients are? Like this: 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Difference of last two: 1, 4, 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 1, 4, 6, 3. Alternate plus minus sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Substitute the values. So mu4 dash. mu4 dash 204.93 minus 4 times mu3 dash mu1 dash 6 times mu2 dash yes, what the answer is? Cross check all these values. I don't have answer for this example. Yes, what the answer is?
One 9.4.
You are not audible.
199.22.
199.22. Correct.
225 आहे तर मग ते 23 होणार ना.
ठीक है, काय त्यांना फरक जास्त पडणार नाही. This number is very big ना, 199. Therefore there is no any problem. Okay. Okay. Let me continue on the next page. Can I change the page? Okay. Then arithmetic mean. X bar equal to, anyone remember the formula? X bar equal to, अरे last time हमने use किया था mu1 dash plus a. What is mu1 dash? 0.45. 67. This is the mean. So whatever a we considered na, so x bar is near the a. Right? This is the conclusion. X bar is near the a. जरा सगळे यूज करून बघूया कसं कसं वाटते. ठीक आहे, नेक्स्ट मॅडम. स्टँडर्ड डेविएशन. mu2. What is our mu2? 8.52. What is its square root? Square root of 8.53. Anyone?
$2.92.
Absolutely. Next item, skewness. Very difficult to understand this. mu3. mu2. Yes, how much is it? Skewness. Yes, how much is the skewness?
Zero point zero one one six.
0.0116.
0.0116.
Near to 0. Curve is normal. mu4.
2.73, 2.738,
Near to 3. Hope you remember the names. Mesocutic. Okay. Yes, let's go through the next example. Right. The first 4 moments about 5 are find okay. So aim is to find beta 1, beta 2, x bar, sigma, and center moments. Okay. Right solution given moments about a equal to 5. You might have understood why I have taken a equal to 5. Are mu1 dash, 2, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash. Okay, now we'll find the next part. Central moments are let me write it directly. So mu2 dash is 20. 16. Check the formula. How much is this? How much is this? अरे कितना है ये? Use कैसे?
$64.
Absolutely. Minus 64.
Minus 64.
Hope you might have now understood how to remember the formula. Yes, how much is this? Yes, what is the answer?
Minus 798.
This much big number, I don't think it will be like that. Please check it once again.
Sir, 162.
162 is okay.
Sorry, sir.
You check it once again.
Hand calculation.
Check. Next. Arithmetic mean. A is 5, mu1 dash is 2. Standard deviation. Four. Can I change the page? Let me change the page. Mu3 square. Yes, how much is this?
1.
1, correct? Positively skewed. Next. Keratosis. Yes, how much is this?
Zero point six three 0.6328.
0 point. This is the value. 0.039.
Yes, sir.
So that is to be compared with 3. Curve is flat. Flaticutive curve.
सर 0.63 येतो ना?
0.63. Okay. So still
Sorry,
it
sir.
is less than 3. 0.63 and it is less than 3. Please make the required changes. Okay, next item, next concept. Correlation. So till what we considered, only one variable is considered, x only. For example, marks in maths only we considered. Okay, and then we consider a frequency. Frequency is not another variable. Huh? It is related to the same data only. Okay, so we have till considered one set of data. Now we'll consider two different sets of data, and we want to find a relation between these two data. Getting everyone? Okay, so that a relation between two variables x and y is known as correlation. Okay, just 1 minute. Huh? Give me 1 minute only. So till that time, just search on net, Google search कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ कोरिलेशन। ऐसे हमारा आंसर संगत है। इसका आंसर आपको बताना है कि कितने कोएफिशिएंट है कोरिलेशन के। ठीक है, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन गूगल करना है। हो ठेवली. अरे संपले काय. हॅलो, आय एम ऑडिबल? अरे आहे की नाही तुम्ही, की गेले पळून?
Yes, sir.
हा, सांगा. What are the different correlation coefficients? Anyone got the answer of this question? अरे नेटवर तुम्हाला जर सर्च करायला सांगितलं असतं कशाबद्दल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आजकाल कोण फेमस आहे रे, आता मला नावही माहित नाही रे.
RCB
नाही, हिरोईन. हिरोईन कोण फेमस आहे?
ते नाही माहित सर.
कोण आहे ती, कोण तर आहे ना, पूजा भट्ट नव्हे, अरे काय नाव तिचं, जाऊ दे, मला यात आठवत नाही सोडा. म्हणजे मला माझ्या वेळच्या हिरोईन आठवत आहेत, काही प्रश्नच नाही. आताच्या माहित नाहीत असं नाही, माहिती आहेत पण नाव आठवत नाहीत. ओके, असं जर कुठल्या हिरोईन बद्दल, इफ आय माइट हॅव टोल्ड यू टू सर्च अबाउट हिरोइन्स, एक्ट्रेस और एनीथिंग एल्स, आपको सब पता होता है ना. तो कोरिलेशन, एनीवन हु गॉट द आंसर, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट्स, एनीवन? बताओ.
-1.
हाँ, Okay, chalo, no problem. Say, let me take example. So we have two different variables, x and y. Huh? X है, okay. Population of nation or country, and y is number of COVID patients. Acha. So say x variable is number of population of the nation, okay, and number of COVID patients. Okay, so say I'll take different nations. Say India. Billions is 100 crores. Right? Hope you know it, all these things very well. And millions is 1 million equal to how much?
10
1 million is
lakhs.
equal to how much?
10 lakh.
10 lakh, na?
Yes, sir.
10 lakh, right? So how much is the population of India? How many billions? 1.3 around. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And how many COVID patients? Say around 10 lakhs. So should we write this in billions only? No, then it will be difficult. But it will be simple to compare. Huh? So let me write this in billions only. Okay, billions. So only say 0.3 billions. Okay, Pakistan. How much is the population? Around, anyone know the population of Pakistan? Around 20 crores. That is 0.2 billions.
30 crores, sir. 30.
30 नसर 30 है, चलो ठीक है. 0.3 billions, and the COVID patients were say 0.5 billions. Okay, and so on. I'll take few countries, say US, Brazil, Mexico, and so on. Okay, and then we want to find whether there is any relation between population of the country and number of COVID patient, or it is not so. You take example of China also. Right, population is around 1.45 billion, but number of COVID patients are very less. Okay, only 0.001 billion. Okay, and then we'll find relation between x and y. So here our aim is to, in correlation and regression, our aim is to find a relation between two variables. Okay, till now, in case of central tendency, arithmetic mean, standard deviation, then moments, okay, we studied properties of a single variable only, single population only in terms of statistics. Okay, here our aim, in case of correlation and regression, now we want to find a relation between these two variables. Okay, these two population variables, that is our aim. Okay, so first concept is correlation. Okay, different coefficient of correlations are there. Here we want to study the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Let me change the page. One minute. याच्यात कलर बी आले बघा आज, वेगवेगळे कलर घेऊ शकते. पूर्वी फक्त ब्लॅक होते ना,
म्हणजे अपडेट झालं.
हा, अपडेट झालं, छान वाटलं.
तुम्हाला तेच दिसते.
हा, तेच दिसते. अरे काय होते, या मुलांना सुट्टी पाहिजे बहुतेक, होईना. Give me 1 minute. We will write the formulas of correlation and then we'll stop. And formulas are very simple, not too difficult. Okay, great. Chalo. Right now. Take 5 minutes. Right. Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Given, this is given to us. Right? X and X and F is given, it does not mean that two variables are given. Single variable is this X and its frequency is F. But here two variables are given. Say X1, X2, and so on. Xn. Okay. Y1, Y2, Yn. Okay. A relation between two variables is known as correlation. Okay. Right. Carl, change kore.
Sir, red kya red?
Color re. Pearson's coefficient is. It is denoted by R. R of xy equal to. R of xy equal to COV, covariance between xy, divided by sigma x, sigma y. Okay. Now two formulas are there, right? One for discrete data. You understand discrete data, na? That is x1, x2 up to xn. So formulas for discrete data and then formulas for the frequency distribution. Okay. Just 1 minute. Let me go through the example. Correlation. Right. Covariance. Okay. Right. Covariance between xy. Summation of xy divided by n minus summation of x, it should be xi summation of yi divided by n, that is summation of xi yi divided by n minus x bar into y bar, right? This is x bar, this is y bar. This is covariance. Okay. Then let sigma x, hope everyone remember. What is formula of sigma x? Summation of xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. And sigma y, that is for the y variable. Summation of yi square divided by n minus y bar square. This is for the discrete data. Okay. Next, write down. Second, for frequency distribution. Right? Covariance of xy equal to summation of fi. Can anyone predict what it will be? Fi xi yi divided by summation of fi minus summation of fi xi divided by n, that is x bar. In short, you can write x bar. Summation of fi yi divided by n. Sigma x summation of fi xi square divided by summation. Acha, this should be summation of fi. Sorry. Please. You can leave this part. Okay, concentrate on these formulas. For our part, for M3, this is sufficient. So for the M3, in case of M3, while finding the correlation, only x and y is given. Frequency is usually not given. I'll say not given. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start with the examples on this Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Then we'll complete correlation regression, and my plan is to complete the binomial distribution and Poisson's distribution. Okay, tomorrow we'll start at around 9:45. Okay, and we have lecture for the whole day. Only maths lecture is there tomorrow. Hope there will be no any change. Anyone has told you that there will be any other lecture? Anyone inform you that there will be any other lecture? No, na?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So we have maths lecture only. According to best of my knowledge, we have maths lecture tomorrow. So before we stop, let me take the attendance.
सर
हाँ
सर मला ते तुम्ही टिक केलं आणि खाली रॉंग केलं ते समजलं नाही.
Whatever examples we are solving here, na, in case of M3, the examples are on x and y. So without the examples are on discrete distribution only. Okay? Discrete data only. So probably there will be no any example on the frequency distribution. Therefore, where we have written the formulas of this frequency distribution, there I have crossed. Okay, now?
फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिस्ट्रीब्युशनचा जर न्यूमेरिकल्स येत नाही तर मग फॉर्म्युला का दिलाय?
माहित असावं म्हणून सगळं फक्त
उपयोगी येऊ शकतो का?
नाही येणार. बिंदास नाही येणार म्हणजे नाहीच येणार, काय प्रश्न. फक्त माहित असावं, कारण ते कुठेतरी पुढे लागणार आहे आपल्याला. In civil engineering, it may be required at one or other place, or if you go for higher studies, then they are required. Therefore, we have written them, and we should understand what exactly relation between them is. Okay, so how if we know the formula for frequency distribution, how we can convert that into discrete distribution, how we can convert that into frequency distribution. For that I have written it. Okay, attendance, how many people are there? 30 only. Okay, roll number 1 nahi hai. 2
प्रेझेंट
रोल नंबर
1
1 आहे. ओके आहे. 1 आहे. 2
प्रेझेंट सर.
3
Present, sir.
4